Hello, I'm your Julisha AI Literacy Assistant. Is your team bogged down by busy work? Let's see how AI can free them for real growth. Just imagine your team focusing completely on innovation, clients, and what really grows the business. The truth is, many teams can lose up to 40% of their day to these tasks. That's a huge hidden cost. So what's the fix? It's AI-powered process automation. It handles all that repetitive stuff for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this replace my team? Absolutely not. It unlocks their potential. It frees them up for the big picture work, strategy, creativity, and taking care of your customers. Let me give you a quick example. One of our clients spent 3 whole days every single month on invoices. With our help, they cut that down to just 3 hours. That's a 90% reduction in time. But here's what really mattered. They moved those team members into client success and growth strategy roles. As a leader, your time is everything. Imagine getting all that time back to focus on innovation. This is how you scale smarter. It's how you can grow your business and outpace the competition. It gives you the freedom to stop just managing tasks and really start leading your company forward. So if you're ready to see what automation can do for you, we're here to help you figure that out. Our process is simple. We analyze your workflows, then design a custom automation strategy that gets results. Ready to unlock your team's true potential? Let's talk.